What's up, Silver Stackers? Thank you so much for being here. This is Silver Slayer. Folks, I'm offering you the best deal of a lifetime, and I'm not exaggerating. We all know that buying physical precious metals at spot price is just non-existent and hasn't been even pre-pandemic. I mean, you always pay some type of premium. But what if I was to tell you that I am offering you a deal to get a 5-gram Volcambi gold bar at spot price? And also, not only that, it's free shipping. So you are getting a physical gold bar at spot. That does not happen. You always pay some type of premium or shipping fees. A lot of times they'll say, at spot, but then you have to still pay the shipping fee. So you're always paying something above the actual price. But I'm offering you a 5-gram gold bar that is the cheapest it can literally get. This is the best deal that you'll ever get. Nothing could go lower than this. You'll never see a company sell anything under spot. So maybe deals will come along that are as good as this, but you'll never get a better deal, literally. But it's only for the first 100 new customers that buy from Bullion Max. So you gotta hop on it now, because once this video goes live, I don't know how quick this is gonna go. Probably in less than a day. So if you're one of the first people to see this, you're the ones that have a chance. If you're watching this tomorrow morning, which would be July 15th, you might have a chance. You could try, but I still have good news. After the first 100 are sold from the new customers, I'm still going to give you a $5 discount. That means if you're a new customer, old customer, whatever, after the first 100 to the new customers are sold, you'll still get a $5 discount. Now you go to bullionmax.com/silverslayer, or you can apply a coupon code and click Slayer5, and that will take you to this deal. The link will be in the description or the pinned comment as always. But folks, I unboxed this on my channel about a week and a half ago. This thing is amazing. See, anytime you buy precious metals, if you can get it in something that, this says it's an assay certificate, right? This proves it's real. See, sometimes when you have like a gold bar that's out of this, it's faked. There's a lot of fake gold and silver floating around on eBay. So this is the best way to, especially when you're going to your potential buyer saying, look, this is legit. It's still in the packaging. Now, you could take it out of the packaging if you want. I didn't take mine out. I think it's pretty cool that it's in this as well. But I mean, it's also a beautiful bar. I mean, Volcambi is probably one of the most widely known private mints, which is also good because when you're going to resell, if your potential buyer doesn't even know what the company is, that's going to make it a little harder. If you have something like Volcambi, especially in this packaging, it's going to be pretty easy to sell. And since you're buying it at spot price, I can 99.99999% guarantee you're going to make money on this unless you sell it at spot price, which actually you'd still make money because I'm sure by the time you sell it, gold's going to be a lot higher. And another good point is that gold's down low right now, $1,716, and you're getting it at spot. I mean, this is an amazing deal, folks. I'm not trying to just say that because it's under my promo code. I'm honored to be able to offer this as my promo code. Like, this is like it's so cool to have one of the best deals, if not the best deal I've seen in years, maybe even ever. And it's under my name. It's like Silver Slayer's audience, Silver Slayer's fans get this incredible deal. It's not just like, hey, I'm showing you guys a deal on Bullion Max. It's like, yo, use my promo code and you're going to get hooked up. You're getting a great deal. And it's a genuinely good deal. I love that. I absolutely love that. Shout out to Bullion Max for doing that. They mentioned this to me after they did the starter kit. And I was like, that's amazing. But I didn't know if it would come true or not. So I didn't want to say anything. But it's here. And they gave me my own code for it. Like, they're really trying to build like this community for YouTubers to get good deals. Like the starter kit, 5 ounces of silver at below employee pricing. Now they have this. They're trying to work with me on the 15-ounce Silver Slayer Deluxe bundle, where I get to handpick 15 ounces of silver at a great deal. It's like I'm starting to be able to have like my own little I don't even know how to explain it, but like working with this company is giving me opportunities to give my audience, this is probably the best way to put it, to give my audience the best deals that no other sites or YouTubers can offer, and I love that because I love you guys. You guys have supported me so much and helped me so much. The only thing I can do is give back, and if it's not giving away silver, only picking one winner or two winners for my giveaways, at least I can allow everyone to get a good deal. So yeah, I mean, I really do. I really do appreciate you all, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to do stuff like this for you guys as well. So yeah, bullyandmax.com/silverslayer, or go to the coupon code and type in Slayer5 if you want to get this. Like I said, it's only the first 100 new customers. I'm not kidding, folks. Don't say I might. If you sit on it, you're gonna miss it. Like this is one of those things that you just got to get on it right away, because there's only 100 slots, and I know people are going to take advantage of this. I already posted it on my Instagram, and I made a post on my channel already a couple hours ago. So even when this video drops, I don't know how many are left. So you got to take advantage of this now, because I really do want you guys to be able to lower your dollar per ounce average and get a good price, genuinely. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. I got some other stuff coming today. I just wanted to share this great deal. Shout out to Bully and Max. If you haven't got the starter kit yet, let me see if it's still. I know this starter kit. Okay, yeah, it's still here. So they also have the 5-ounce starter kit. This is 5 ounces of silver at below employee pricing. You're getting coins like a Type 2 Eagle. You're getting the new 2022 Britannias. You're getting the Kangaroos, 1-ounce bar, 1-ounce round. And this is a great deal because a lot of these coins, like Eagles, go for $45, even $50 on Amazon. You're getting a good deal on this as well. You could even probably do the starter kit and the 5-gram gold bar, and that would be a really big bang for your buck. And I say that because the starter kit isn't over free shipping. So anytime I tell people to buy a starter kit, I say at least buy something else with it. But if you could buy something else with it that is free shipping, that's at spot price, buying the 5-gram gold bar and the starter kit would be probably the best deal you'll get in your life. Unless, you trade with a friend for some, or you rip someone off. But when it comes in terms of like actually buying silver or gold from a company, this is probably the best deal that you'll come across in a long time. And I genuinely mean that. So anyways, yeah, bullyandmax.com/silverslayer. It will take you to the gold deal, or in the coupon code, just type Slayer5. The link will be in the description or the pinned comment. The first 100 new customers get this deal at spot. And then after that is over, everyone else can get this deal for $5 off. Either you're a new or old customer. So that means if you've bought the starter kit before, bought from Bully and Max, you can still get a deal. You just can't get the at spot price deal. You still get free shipping though, which is still big. And as gold's down right now to $1,715, regardless, this is a good deal. It's a win-win, and I'm glad I can offer you all this. I got to work on some more videos now today, folks. I just wanted to share this amazing deal. Shout out to Bully and Max. I love you. You are by far the best company, the best packaging, great prices, great deals. You're looking out for the YouTube community. You're very transparent. I've even had you on my Silver Stacking podcast, and I got to see an inside look at what you guys do. Basically, Bully and Max is a branch off of AppMex. They're like AppMex, because they're like the internal team, but they're better. They might not have the diverse supply yet, or the product. That's the one thing that they're going to be building on. But they're a very new company, and this company is like what AppMex should have been until I'm not going to get into it. But yeah, Bully and Max is my favorite company. If you've ever seen me unbox their packages, by far the best packaging. And I'm not saying that. Go check out my unboxings or ask someone else in the comments that they've seen my unboxing video. I'm telling the truth. They care about all of you, or they wouldn't be giving this deal out. So yeah, anyways, thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.